introduce you to my guests. Firstly, we have Miss Know-It-All.
Hi!
Next, we have Mr. Know-A-Lot. Mr. Remember-Well.
How are you all?
Then we have Mr. Don't-Know-A-Lot.
Hello everybody.
And next, we have Jessica the Cat.
Meow meow.
Today's question is, how do we get to heaven? Actually, that's rather an easy one. Everyone knows that if you are good, you go to heaven. But if you're bad, you don't. So, if you do more good things than bad ones, you will go to heaven.
Wait a minute. That's not right. If we could all get to heaven by being good, there's no need for Jesus to come and die for us.
Oh, you have a point there. So how can we get to heaven then?
By believing. If you believe in God, you will go to heaven. What nonsense! You are both wrong. Even the devil believes in God. He is not going to get to heaven.
Then give us your answer then, Mr.
This is a question I have studied for 50 years, but I have finally found out the answer. To get to heaven, you need to be there.
Amazing, and it only took 50 years to find that out.
Wait, that's more. As far as being there, the Bible teaches that we need to be a Christian.
Now we are getting close, but how can a person become a Christian, Mr. Remember-Well?
I have no idea. It may take me another 50 years to find it out.
I'm afraid we haven't got that long, Mr. Don't-Know-A-Lot. Can you help us out?
Actually, can you become a Christian by going to church? It's as simple as that.
That can't be right. If I went to live in my garage, that wouldn't turn me into a motor car, would it? So going to church wouldn't turn me into a Christian. No, there must be another answer. Jessica, we are getting really desperate here. You are our last hope. Do you know how we can get to heaven?
I can do better than that. I can give you the key that will unlock the gift of heaven.
You have the key to the gates of heaven?
Yes, if the combination closed, so can someone write down the number for us? The number are 511521.
You mean that's the key that will get us into heaven?